Classic car is time you hold, a story waiting to be told. It asks your patience, gives you more than any showroom floor. It is a covenant with hands that built to last in earlier lands, a sculpture forged in sweat and fire, a singular unbought desire. And when it runs, the sound it makes, a part of you that also wakes. The smell of oil, the heat that seeps, a promise that the spirit keeps. That what is made with heart and care will not dissolve in common air, but waits in barns and dreams in light to thunder onward proud and bright. Here diagrams, a fragile map to bridge the gap, to fill the gap between a rusted, shattered dream and paint that shines like a silver stream. A craftsman's hands, both skilled and scarred, approach the work with reverence hard. A soldering iron's gentle breath defeats the creeping rod of death. A row of grills like shark-toothed smiles from transatlantic miles and miles. A miner's suit of dovetail gray, a sprite that seems to want to play. The smell of wax and new-cut steel, the turning of a stubborn wheel. A dashboard's arc of walnut grain, a world made whole and right again. Not just machines of wire and tin, but memories that still remain. The first car owned, the father's pride, the open road, the world so wide. They're piecing back the scattered parts, the sum of long departed hearts. Each polished hub, each stitch and seam, the salvage of a shared daydream. So let the modern world race on in silicon and the believer, and hear time move at a different pace, a sacrament of time and space. For in this hall the lost return, where passion makes the ashes burn. A resurrection bold and stark, a symphony of light and dark. Then daylight pierces where the shadows lie, a shape beneath a canvas sheet, a symphony of dust and heat. Would rest below a sleeping beast, or promise of a long-lost feast. The hand hesitates, then pulls the cloth, revealing rust and heartbreak both. The tires are flat, the chrome is pitted, a century of dirt is knitter into every scene and fragile vent. A story briefly is hell-bent on staying buried, but the eye sees past the decay, the faded light sees the line, the poised intent, the ghost of what the builder meant. Then comes the art, the resurrection, a slow and painstaking correction. The lead of weld, the soda blaster, the welder's art, a bright new master. Joining what was torn apart, a surgeon's work upon the heart. The lathe that turns, the gleaming bore, the gift of life and something more. The primer coats the naked steel, a promise that the wounds will heal. The paint is laid, a chosen hue, a flash of brilliant waiting dew. And then the moment bright and stark, the key is turned within the dark. A cough, a sputter, then a roar that shakes the dust from rafter and floor. For this is what the restorer knows, that beauty from the ashes grows. Not just a car, but time reversed,